Hey everybody, I'm Steve with Marine Depot Direct, and I wanted to talk to you about changing your steering wheel caps. Because if you've ever had one that's been cracked or fractured, sometimes it's important to switch those out. Luckily, it's pretty easy and there's not a big process involved. Either your steering wheel has a set screw or it doesn't have a set screw. If it does have a set screw and the set screw is not stripped, then you have your pick of the litter. You can choose either the PVC snap-in caps, or you can choose the stainless steel or teak or any other kind of material steering wheel caps that need a set screw. To take out the steering wheel cap from a steering wheel with the set screw, it's super easy. You just have to undo the set screw and your broken cap pops right out. If you don't have a set screw or your set screw is stripped and you have one of the PVC style snap-in caps, that's how easy it is to install. And to take it out, it's just about as easy. You can use your fingernails to pry them out, or ours come with, if I could find it, a little groove that you can slip a flathead screwdriver right in and pop it out. If your steering wheel has a set screw, the set screw is not stripped, and you can use the stainless steel or the teak. Let's use the teak. It's just as easy to put them in as it was to take it out. Just set the steering wheel cap in the center and tighten, but don't tighten too much so that you script the set screw, and you also don't want to put too much tension on that. You just want it nice and snug so it's not going to come popping off while you're boating. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching that video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more of our future content.